This is coconut Red Bull. Coconut Red Bull. Oh boy, don't tell me that. How you telling me you love me, then you take it back? What's love? Can you tell me that? If I gave you the world, would you give it back? Like that. Woo! Red Bull makes me burp, man. Hey, what? Oh, tell him.
I said, oh, don't tell me that. How you telling me you love me, then you take it back? What's love? Can you tell me that? If I gave you the world, would you give it back? Like, uh-oh, can you tell me where did love go? Is my heart on my sleeve, on your coat? I just wanna know, baby, where did love go? Yeah, I don't even know myself. Tryna help me, but I don't need help. You said you love me and no one else. Yeah, so is that love, let it to myself. Yeah, I don't even know myself. Tryna help me, but I don't need help. You said you love me and no one else. Yeah, so is that love, let it to myself.
I just want to check in. I've been really worried about you. What's going on?
All these memories, they bring problems back. You know the way I feel, there's nothing wrong with that. You got a new man, but I can't help with that. I just hope you find yourself before you hit me back. Like, uh-oh, can you tell me where the love go? Is my heart on my sleeve, on your coat? I just wanna know, baby, where the love go? Yeah, I don't even know myself. Tryna help me, but I don't need help. You said you love me and no one else. Yeah, so is that love, let it to myself. Yeah, I don't even know myself. Tryna help me, but I don't need help. You said you love me and no one else. Yeah, so is that love, let it to myself.
It's like guitar, man. Oh, hey, what's up? I think Dayton should make a song together. Ooh, it'll happen. Like,
I said, oh, don't tell me that.
how you telling me you love me, then you take it back? Actually, gotta go back on, boy. So this is an old love letter. Whoa! Fuck! Sorry. Jeez, man. I'm trying to sing, bro. I'm trying to sing. Cannot seem to focus sometimes. Like, how you telling me you love me? Can you tell me that? But if I gave you the world, would you give it back? Like, oh, can you tell me where the love go? Is my heart on my sleeve, on your coat? I just wanna know, baby, where the love go? Yeah, I don't even know myself. Tryna help me, but I don't need help. You said you love me and no one else. Yeah. Is it love? Let it to myself. Yeah, I don't even know myself. Tryna help me, but I don't need help. You said you love me and no one else. Yeah. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, bum, bum. Y'all fuck with this song? Huh? ukulele is kind of a fire instrument. I'm not gonna lie. Video of you singing East Side in live. Oh, jeez. But on a smaller scale and just like anywhere. Like I could take this on a plane. Like I put this in my backpack. Take it anywhere. Just go. Like it's dope. There's only 4 strings, so the chords aren't hard at all. It's such an easy instrument. So dope. So dope. Forgot I had these glasses. These glasses are dope. Boom, 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 boom. Can't wear them right now, though. A little too dark. Trying to figure out what to do today. Don't know what the moves are. It's my last free day out and about, so... Or, no, it's today's Saturday, right? Yeah, today's Saturday, so I got Sunday and then Monday, so I got actually 2 days, but... Yeah. It's gonna be dope. Pretty hyped about it. See if we can guess some people. Nope, never mind. It's gonna tell me I have no viewers. That's awesome. Thanks, guys. Bum ba bum ba ba bum bum ba bum bum bum. Let's give a love letter to the ukulele. That's what I'm saying. Like, I just don't know how love letter would work. Hold on. Holy shit. Wait, would that actually work? Sorry, guys. Did not mean to drop that on you like that. That's my bad. Oh, is it a bar chord for real? No. What the shit? Oh. Oh. Okay. That's a little difficult. What? 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 No. I think I can get away with the G. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Yeah, that's a G, right? Sorry, I'm trying to figure out how to play Love Letter on ukulele, but it's proven to be a little harder than I thought. Why? I was just praising you, ukulele, about how beautiful and how easy your chords were. Now I take it all back. How? That's not... Oh. Ugh. Dude. Love Letters are not gonna happen on ukulele. As bad as I want it to. Oh, whoa! We're getting a breakthrough, boys. And now I just need a freaking F bar chord. Alright, boys. Stay healthy in quarantine. I got nominated by Jackson. C10, do 10. You know what I'm saying? About to kill these push-ups real quick. You know what I'm saying? Like, 2, 3, yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all know, my armpits smell, dude.